So, you're in the kitchen, ready to whip up a delicious meal. But wait, what's that one tool that can make your prep work a breeze? The unsung hero of the kitchen, the vegetable peeler. Let me tell you, this little gadget is a game changer. It's not just for peeling potatoes. Oh no, it's a multitasking marvel. From carrots to cucumbers, zucchinis to apples, this tool can peel it all with ease. And let's not forget about those tough-skinned veggies like butternut squash. The vegetable peeler tackles them like a pro. Say goodbye to struggling with a knife and risking your fingers. The vegetable peeler is here to save the day. Plus, it's lightweight, compact, and easy to clean, a kitchen essential you didn't know you needed. So, next time you're in the kitchen, don't underestimate the power of the humble vegetable peeler. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it.